What's up, guys? Today we're doing an unboxing of the new Insta360 X4 Air action camera. The only thing I've done is remove the cellophane wrapping because you know, that stuff's not safe to have around kids, and I could have choked myself, and I don't want to do that on camera. You got to pay extra for that. With this came a free case, this Insta360 hard shell case with a zipper. It's got a wrist strap, it's got a shoulder strap, it's embossed, it says Insta360, they're removable. It was free, so can't complain about that. Wish it wasn't yellow, but what are you gonna do? Slap stickers on it? Yes. So the only thing I've done, as I said, was remove the cellophane, and now we're going to open this. Oh, it's one of these. So there you have it. Beautiful. I'm probably gonna drop it. We're gonna pull it out of here. Comes with Insta360 X4 Air, USB-C cable, protective pouch, lens cloth, quick start guide, and warranty card. Recently had an X4 that I got hand-me-down from my friend, and I dropped it on the road and the lenses were smashed, so I passed it off to another friend who will pay to have it repaired. But I got myself this. I was choosing between getting another X4, repairing that X4, getting the X5, or this option that just came out was the X4 Air. So it is smaller, shorter than the X4, has some of the same features as the X5. There was a Black Friday sale, so I held out, got it Black Friday. So this is the camera. It has a wind guard for the microphone, so you get less wind noise. Overall looks very similar to the X4. It's got the same battery. I'm guessing this is battery and memory card. It fucking springs out, that's crazy. Yes, battery in here and memory card in here, so that's great. Slide that bad boy back in. You have your power button here as before. You have your, I believe is, oh, it slides down and open. That's your charging port. And then, so you have the same threaded mount, and then also the option for the quick mounts. And your new record button, which will probably be very nice and simple. I'm gonna throw a memory card in it and we're gonna check it out. All right, we got a memory card in there, and just for the sake of this video, we're going to peel these on camera. And then we're just gonna check out what else is in this package here. So we're gonna pull this out, pull this out. So that's it for the box. Inside here we have our protective sleeve. It's not a zippered case like the one that I had for the X4. It's just a little slider, but this is fine because this enables you to slide the camera in there, and then if you have your selfie stick, you can essentially just slip that on there, and then you can just pull it off, record, and then when you want to tuck it away, just slide that back on. So it's about as good as the zippered case. Most of the time with the zippered case, I would leave it on here anyway and not zip it all the way, unless I was actually packing it away and taking it off the mount. So that's neat. What else we got? We have quick start guide, Insta360 Care, safety guidelines. We got a cleaning sticker for the wind guard to get any debris out of there. That's cool. They give us 4 of those so we can clean the wind guard out if anything gets stuck in there. That's thoughtful. Warranty card. We have stickers. We have cleaning cloth and our charging cable and the forbidden seasoning. And that is, I believe that's all. Oh, yeah. That's it, folks. So, hope you like that. And that's a wrap.